Are you new to coding and wondering which programming language to start with? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the digital universe of programming languages. We'll explore the top 10 programming languages that are not only beginner-friendly but also incredibly powerful tools in the world of coding. We'll delve into their key features, discuss what makes them ideal for beginners, and showcase their real-world applications that are transforming our lives every day. By the end of this journey, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your coding adventure, armed with the knowledge of which programming languages can serve as your best allies. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting expedition through the dynamic landscape of programming. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the top 10 programming languages for beginners. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have HTML and CSS. Now, you might be thinking, aren't those two different things? Well, yes they are, but they work together like peanut butter and jelly in the world of web development. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the skeleton that gives a web page structure. It's like the blueprint of a house. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the interior decorator that styles the web page. It's responsible for the colors, fonts, and layout, making the web page aesthetically pleasing. These two are excellent for beginners because they're relatively simple to learn. They provide a solid foundation for understanding how web pages are built and designed. Plus, they're everywhere. Every website you visit uses HTML and CSS, making them highly practical to know. So if you're interested in web development, HTML and CSS could be the perfect place to start. Coming in at number 9 on our list is Ruby. This gem of a language is revered for its simplicity and elegance. Ruby's syntax is as close to English as a programming language can get, making it an excellent choice for anyone new to the world of coding. It's like learning a new language that you already kind of speak. Ruby is also a favorite for web development. It's the language behind Ruby on Rails, a popular web application framework that's powered many of the websites you use every day. From e-commerce sites to social media platforms, Ruby has a wide range of applications. But what really makes Ruby stand out for beginners is its supportive community. There's a wealth of resources and tutorials available to help you navigate your coding journey. Plus, it's open source, which means it's free to use and constantly improving. If you're looking for a language with a straightforward syntax, Ruby could be the right choice. At number 8, we have Swift. Swift is a powerful and intuitive programming language developed by Apple for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and beyond. Its design is beginner-friendly, with a clean syntax that's easy to read and write. Swift is also safe by design, helping you avoid common programming errors like null pointer, dereferencing, and out-of-bounds array indexing. Now, imagine the thrill of seeing your own app on an iPhone or an iPad. That's what Swift brings to the table, making it the go-to language for anyone interested in iOS app development. Swift's popularity has been on an upward trend, and for good reason. It offers speed, safety, and modern features, making it not just a great learning tool, but a powerful tool for professional development. So if you've ever dreamed of creating your own iOS apps, Swift is a fantastic place to start. With Swift in your toolkit, you'll be well on your way to becoming a versatile coder. Number 7 on our list is JavaScript. Stepping into the world of web development, then JavaScript is your loyal companion. Unlike other languages that run on servers, JavaScript is executed in the user's browser, making web pages interactive. Its ubiquity is unparalleled. Every modern website uses JavaScript to create user-friendly, dynamic content. But what makes JavaScript an excellent choice for beginners? Well, it's forgiving and intuitive. JavaScript doesn't strictly enforce rules like some languages, allowing you to learn from your mistakes without severe penalties. Plus, its syntax is straightforward, making the learning curve less steep. Moreover, JavaScript has a vast, supportive community and countless resources for learning, making your coding journey smoother. It's also the backbone of popular frameworks like React and Angular, enhancing its real-world applications. So whether you're aiming to create a simple website or a complex web application, JavaScript is your ticket to achieving that. JavaScript is a must-know language for any aspiring web developer. Coming in at number 6, we have Python. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's simple, easy to learn, and incredibly versatile. It's designed with readability in mind, which means its syntax is clean and easy to understand. This makes Python a perfect choice for beginners dipping their toes into the world of coding. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is powerful and can be used in various fields. It's heavily used in data analysis, machine learning, web development, and even in scientific computing. Companies like Google, NASA, and Netflix use Python for its flexibility and robustness. Python also boasts a large and welcoming community. This means you'll have plenty of resources and help at your disposal when you're just starting out. It's no wonder it's one of the most recommended languages for beginners. Python's simplicity and versatility make it a great first language. Now, we're down to the top 5 languages on our list. Let's kick off with Java. Java is the go-to language for millions of software developers. It's object-oriented, which means it's great for building complex, large-scale applications. It's also the backbone of many Android apps, so if you're interested in mobile app development, Java is your friend. As for beginners, Java's syntax is straightforward, and its strong typing helps avoid errors, making it an excellent starting point. Next up is C++. Derived from the C language, C++ is a powerful tool used to develop game engines, desktop apps, and even operating systems. It's more complex than some of the other languages we've mentioned, but it provides a deep understanding of how software interacts with hardware. Beginners might find it a bit challenging at first, but the payoff is worth it. Mastering C++ can open doors to a variety of high-paying tech jobs. At number 3, we have C#, pronounced C#. It's a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. It's the language of choice for Windows desktop applications and game development using the Unity game engine. C# is beginner-friendly with a clean and readable syntax. Plus, there's a wealth of learning resources available thanks to its widespread use. Sitting pretty at number 2 is PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language mainly used for web development. It's the magic behind the scenes of websites, making them dynamic and interactive. PHP is easy to get started with. You can run PHP code directly in your browser, no special software required. It's also forgiving of errors, which makes it less frustrating for beginners. And finally, at the top of our list is Python. Python is one of the most beginner-friendly languages out there. Its syntax is clean and easy to read, which makes it a great first language. Python is also incredibly versatile. It's used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Plus, it's one of the most in-demand languages in the job market. These top 5 languages are some of the most in-demand and beginner-friendly languages out there. So there you have it, the top 10 programming languages for beginners. We've journeyed through HTML, CSS, the building blocks of the web, and Ruby, the elegant language beloved by startups. Swift took us into the realm of iOS development, while JavaScript, the language of the web, showed us how to breathe life into our static pages. Python, the language of choice for many scientific applications, demonstrated simplicity and power in harmony. We also explored 5 other fantastic languages, each with their own unique strengths and applications. From creating dynamic websites to building mobile apps, from data analysis to game development, these languages open a world of possibilities. But always remember, there's no one-size-fits-all here. The best language to start with depends on your interests and goals. So take your time, think about what you want to achieve, and choose the language that aligns with your ambitions. Happy coding! Before we wrap up this coding journey, we'd like to remind you to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon too, to stay updated with our latest videos. We're committed to bringing you more tech insights, coding tutorials, and programming language comparisons to help you navigate the digital world with confidence. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with others who might benefit from learning about these programming languages. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you further in your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.